Toppings. Today I'd like to talk about some of the toppings I put on my fruit salad. Here you can see I have flaxseed as well as rye flakes that have been pulverized in my Kuvings vacuum blender. Of course I didn't use the vacuum mode. So these are rye flakes that have been pulverized. So they've turned to not exactly fine but a coarse powder. So I just sprinkle these on top of my fruit salad, and here I have flax seeds, which I have also ground in my Kuvings vacuum blender. And according to Michael Greger of nutritionalfacts.org, the nutritional value of golden flax seeds or brown flax seeds are the same, so it doesn't matter. So brown flax seeds sometimes are cheaper, $4.20 a packet, and golden ones are $5.20. So from now on I'll just buy the brown ones because from a nutritional point of view they're exactly the same, with just the color and price difference that's different. Okay, so I'm just going to squeeze some lime juice on top of this fruit salad. I have papaya, orange, grapefruit, red pitaya, red grapes, and mint leaves, and then I'm going to enjoy it for my dessert today after lunch. As a side note, I want to let you know these are rye flakes here, and this is what do you call it, the flax seeds. Flax seeds, once they're ground, they don't keep so well. So what I've learned is if you keep them in an airtight container like this, these are old kimchi jars, and keep them in the fridge, they will last a lot longer. Otherwise, if you don't, they'll tend to run the risk of going rancid rather quickly and won't last more than 2 or 3 weeks.